In today's video you are going to be watching us lift this freshly painted body shell onto this freshly restored TVR Vixen. The internet tells me it's a 2-person lift and it's just been painted, so there's no room for error. Let's go and take a look. You need to look at that front more as well. Good. Be very careful with that. Hello! Oh, yes! Yes!
Well, you were about to walk into the house and I saw the camera set up and I was like, hang on a minute.
Hang on.
Sounds like you were out last night.
Careful!
No, it's like
Not even mine, no.
Saturday's my lazy day, so I'm just
How are you, mate? You okay?
yeah, not too bad, thank you.
You got it? There at the part of the back.
Right, hang on a second.
Oh, careful, careful how high you're going.
Right, up this way.
Wait there, Dad needs to go up a little bit. There you go. Dad needs to come up, not Alec, not Alec.
Oh, sorry. We're alright, are we?
Yeah, you're fine, you're absolutely fine. But now you pass the door, you can come up a little bit if you need to.
Alright, you okay?
It's all quite tight, it's all up to.
Okay.
So, how does that look and feel at your end, boys?
Sound.
Yeah, let's go down then.
Careful,
go
Dad,
down.
you're very, very close.
Could go a little bit forward,
Close to
maybe.
what, mate?
Everything.
Oh, you're
Good
gonna
luck.
like. Careful, you're gonna want to go forward because the handbrake's not going to go through the hole at this rate.
Right there.
You're quite a distance with the handbrake going through. Still want to go forward, forward.
Yeah, we can
forward.
come forward.
Down.
Down?
Go forward a bit.
Down at the front, I guess. This is where it goes down at the front.
Yeah, we're quite close to where we need to be.
Oh, you're you're through. You're just
Yeah.
careful because you're touching the
Yeah, I know.
handbrake.
Yeah,
That's it.
There you go.
So in theory, are we lowering
We're
down?
going down.
Yeah, we're good now.
Yeah.
Catching anything?
No,
No.
we're all good at the moment. I probably need to come forward a little bit
I
on
feel like
these
we're.
pads.
Are we resting on? We're resting on something here. I don't know if we're resting on this frame or we're too close for the backwards.
You've got to sit down on those 2 bits at the back. I think we're almost there, aren't we?
That all went very well, didn't it? Moving forward now, Dad can make a few little tweaks underneath the bonnet that doesn't exist yet, and then he can turn the key for the first time. It should be a good one. Stay tuned.